Pushing Stratford. It's Anchorage train. This is Stratford. Okay, we're going this side. Line West
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police.
Subway.
Up. Or down,
We're going down. We're going this
We're
way.
looking for the railways. What railways? National Rail,
Yes.
Greater Anglia.
Wait,
Platform 11, guys, okay? See?
and this one is platform 9 to 12. 9 to
Let's go platform 11.
Okay, it's maybe 16, which is fine. Whoa! Echo! 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 Yes, Greater Anglia. Here we come, Greater Anglia. Woohoo!
Now let's go sit down. We have 15 minutes.
Over there. Yes, I will see the sun. We are here. Meridian water. We have 14 more minutes.
Luggage unattended on the station.
Right.
Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Mommy, don't go there.
All right.
Not Anglia train. It's just leaving. Not in service.
Oh, that's why.
That's not Anglia train. Not in service. Come on. Let's go to the front.
Platform 11 from the 11:16 Greater Anglia service to Meridian Water via Tottenham Hale, Cornett Lee Bridge, Tottenham Hale, Northumberland Park and Meridian Water. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
What? What? Hey, that train is going? But we are fast on this train. Yeah. Maybe they're just testing it. To be Greater Anglia. building. This is under a train.
Yeah, pretty much looks new. Standard Express. I never saw that on there.
But I never go there.
Even with bicycle storage. Now this is what I call a new train. So far they... This is really what they showed in this video. Video videos. Oh, the bridge, we're stopping. This is the first stop.
Yeah, that's good. There's no people here now.
Yeah, because
bridge.
it's in the other side. No. Just watching every Sunday. No.
Wait for us. Thank you. Now let's go. Down.
Meridian water. Do not trespass on the railway. Penalty £1,000.
Evening.
Hello, guys.
Coming in. Go and check.
Go
Come
and see.
Go and have a bloody up.
Thank you for it. Thanks very much.
Honey, how's the Nicole? They were waiting for you.
Wow, check this out. Now go inside and see.
Oh, wow. So small.
Very nice here.
I was always wondering, is the steering wheel or what?
There.
Don't record them.
Go back a little one. Go little one. Go on.
Nasa dear Belinda.
Okay.
Makes you cry?
Okay, jump.
Bravo.
Light change. Make the light change. Did you hear that?
Daddy, help.
We have 3 more minutes.
Okay.
No.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop will be Tottenham Hale. This is Tottenham Hale.
If we ever get to see that driver again, I would like to hang the horn and blow. The 3 houses, which have different signs. Medium and short. I remember we went this way.
Here an elevator, love it.
Hey, come on. Alarm activated.
Or district line. See, and Daddy. No. And you? No, okay, let's go quickly.
Let's go.
Slowly.
This way, this way, this way.
Can we go to the front?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But not
you
running.
Hold the hand, not going along. Please.
Hold Nico.
One minute. Let's look at how deep.
is Abbey Road.
Customer information for passengers requiring a westbound District and Hammersmith and City Line service. Due to pandemic work today, there are no westbound services from this station on the Hammersmith and City or District. Customer information for passengers requiring
Where this train terminates, please take
Come
your
sit down
belongings
here.
with you when you leave.
The train terminate. Now it's gonna go to. I want to go here.
Okay.
This is a District Line train to Upminster. The next station is Charlton.
Come, Nick.
Need to see all this.